Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Lenovo laptop camera driver on Windows 11. Open any browser. Type Lenovo camera driver on browser search bar. Click Integrated Camera Driver for Windows 11. Click Download. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.